All right, you guys, so I'm going to be going over news events that are coming up for this week in this video, and please make sure to pay attention because these are some very, very important news events. A couple of them is at least, and I marked them in yellow, so as we go through them, just pay attention. There's not a lot of them that I saw this week, but still, just be very, very careful when trading around these news events. And number two, please make sure that you're using good risk management because like last week, as I showed you in yesterday's video, the news from the war can pop off at any given time and it can make the markets go nuts and that can blow your account. So make sure that you're using good risk management. All right, so let's get into it. This will be a very short video. I'm going to pull this on screen for you guys. All right, here we go. So the news events that I see for this coming week that I have on my little special spreadsheet is going to be the AUD is coming out with their PMI numbers now. Do you see that I did not mark these in yellow because I don't think they are very important. They're more important, in my opinion, to the stock market than they are to the Forex market, but I put them on there just in case there's a little blip in that price action when these news events come out, at least you know why. But the big one that I'm concerned about is the AUD is coming out not only with their consumer price index, or I call it customer inflation numbers, but also they're also coming out with their inflation rate. Okay, now the inflation numbers is going to be very important, so expect a little bit of fireworks on Tuesday for that. USD coming out with durable goods, which is, it may hit the stock market more importantly than the Forex market, but it could cause price action to jump. But jobless claims is something you really do want to pay attention to on Thursday for the USD. And it's coming out at 130. Now, this is the big one of all of them, and that is the JPY. The JPY is coming out with their interest rate numbers. And those are going to be very, very important because what happens is with the interest rate numbers, this is very important because the JPY has been dropping like a freaking rock and everybody has been waiting to see when the government is going to step in to try to help save its currency. And so this may be the day. And if so, the JPY, it can skyrocket. I mean, it really can. And a lot of the pairs that you've been trading on the JPY pairs, they could actually just tumble just like that. So Thursday is going to be a very, very climactic day, one way or the other for the JPY. So just make sure that if you're holding to JPY, just be aware of this, okay? All right, you guys, thank you very much. By the way, if you guys are interested in our CC group, which is our copycat service, let me bring this on screen for you guys so you guys can see what we did last week. Here's where we are last week. We did 72.3% last week. We had 16 trades that won and 16 losses. And here's our numbers. We're up for the year 82.40% for the year. And that's with 206 wins and 44 losses. So that's where we are so far this year for the copycat service. So if you're interested in that, just go to our website, superezforex.com, and click on the copycat service and just it only takes a few minutes to get you set up and you'll be duplicated on the trades that we take. Okay, you guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.